So today I have a new synthetic wig from you guys from a throwback company that I used to work with all the time, and I don't know what happened. We just stopped working together for some odd reason, but they are back, and this is a Friday night hair unit, so get ready. Before we get started and jump right in, I have one thing that I need for you guys to do, and you already know what it is. Subscribe. That's right, I need you guys to go ahead and mash that subscribe button because we are turning up the heat in 2019, so you might as well click that bell as well so you can know all about the new videos that I am putting out because we are about to go hard. So today's unit is Friday Night Hairs GLS58 in a 1B. If you've ever gotten a wig from them, you know it comes in this standard package, and it comes with your standard stock card that has absolutely nothing related to the wig except for the wig's item number and the color. Here is the unit right here. I have worn this unit twice before, so this unit is not brand new. I did cut the lace off the unit, and I did create a couple of baby hairs. If you're familiar with Friday Night Hair, you know that their lace is hard lace. They give you about 1.5 inches of parting space, and it is a pre-plucked hairline, which is awesome for synthetic units to have a pre-plucked hairline. This is what the curl pattern looks like, and it is really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair back. I'm going to put on a black cap, and then I'm going to put on a skin tone cap, and then I'm going to apply the unit.
Girl, you're sweet, but your love is so rough. Skin so soft, but your love is so tough. Baby, do you know love? We know you say you do, but this is how you show love. You're so rough, lips so soft, but your love is so tough. Baby, is this not enough? If this is how you love, then I don't know love. Be love is so hard to find. Is it love or be all in my mind? I can't tell it's said in other time. I ask for your sign. I call your phone and you don't call me back. Even a text telling me you can't chat. What is more important than me? Or is it that you more important than me? You're sweet, but your love is so rough. Skin so soft, but your love is so tough. Baby, do you know love? We know you say you do, but this is how you show love. You're so rough.
So today I was sent a package from Salon Pro. I do believe it has their new Lacefront glue in it. So their new glue is called CHIC Bond, and it says taking your style to the next level. We have CHIC Bond Premium Invisible Hold Lace Bond. We have CHIC Bond Extreme Invisible Lace Hold Bond. And we have CHIC Bond Lace Conditioning Remover. So it looks like it's a whole system here. It says the leader in beauty adhesives is taking your favorite style to the next level of beauty. And I will say that Salon Pro is definitely a leader in weave bond because let's see, this is the weave glue that I literally have been using since probably the 7th grade, and it's been bomb ever since day one, since the beginning. So they definitely are not lying when they say they're the leader. So let's take a look at what they provided in the bag. Aww, Salon Pro 30-second or whatever. Thank you, Salon Pro.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want in on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a ya, say she give me in a ya. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl say my wine in them, me grinding at the think so. Any man them me looking at the think so.
Okay, so the wig glue, Lacefront wig glue is applied. It said that we need to wait and let become tacky and clear. So I guess we can't speed up the process by applying the blow dryer, because you know me, I'll be like, blow dryer, let's go. But it's already starting to get clear, and that happened pretty quickly. So I feel like this is gonna work pretty quickly. So now that this looks like it's basically clear, and definitely tacky, it's time to apply this wig. Wow, it's like literally already trying to stick to my head. Oh wow, this stuff is no joke tacky as AF. Wow, it's very sticky in a good way. Like the instant you put it down, it feels secure, like very secure. The instant you put it down, it's no joke, like adhered to your head at that moment. I'm gonna go ahead and just stick all of this down. I don't want too many baby hairs to go in here. If anything, I want the baby hairs like going backwards. I'm gonna push this behind my ear. This is hurting my ear. So I'm just gonna cut this a little bit here, because this piece is literally like hurting my ear. Put it, there's no other way to put it. The hairline is laid, okay? The wig glue adhesive is bomb, so it looks like I missed a little spot like right here, but I could honestly just cut that off. I like this. This looks cute. This definitely looks cute. Very cute. Let me turn around so you can see this unit from all sides. So nothing too excessive in terms of baby hairs. Just a little something. So if you guys have questions about this unit, definitely leave them in the comments down below. Thank you so much, Friday Night Hair, for sending over this unit. So glad to be back working with you guys. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. I will be hitting you with one video a day, if not more, during the month of December. It is Vlogmas. I'm not participating in Vlogmas, but I will be offering you guys more content for the month of December. I'm excited for that. You better get excited too. Turn on your post notifications because your girl is all up in your area code, okay, and your email box. All right, so make sure you get into that, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back.